Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose and you're watching again another episode of UpStreamCharlie. In today's episode, as I promised and have multiple announcement in Facebook, we will have the part 2 of the laptop opening and upgrade. So we will upgrade the hard disk drive of this old laptop of mine and will be replaced with a solid state drive. Okay.
All right.
As I described in the first video. So beside me is my special guest, Mr. Prado, Darwin. So,
all right.
Darwin has his own YouTube channel called
PradzTV.
So what do you do in PradzTV?
Actually, most of the shoot is on traveling, tapos motorcycle involvement, visiting places from one place to another, mga adventure place. Tapos actually konti pa lang yung video, but ongoing pa rin kasi mga video na gusto kong itakal doon. And I have parang technical part doon sa content ko, which is na-involved din yung ngayon na gagawin natin.
Okay. So just to let you know, Darwin and I used to work for a company before, and when it comes to headset, we know everything about headsets.
Right.
And noise cancelling.
Acoustics.
Yeah, and acoustics. But eventually we parted ways, and his technical skills matured afterwards when he joined another company, and he was exposed to more than the usual that he learned from his previous company. So he now knows how to do what?
Some technicals and technicalities.
For example?
Actually, my previous job is more on computer, desktop, laptop, and then
he knows how to assemble a PC. Period.
More on
and
desktop
then
and laptop.
Local area network.
Nag-involve na lang.
Just like this,
Yes.
structured cabling, auxiliaries, which includes CCTV,
CCTV, access control,
PABX,
yan, mga ganyan,
PABX,
PA, mga
system.
ganyan.
So, but when it comes to PC, he's one of those people who knows PC inside out. Okay?
Alright.
So, without further ado, we will do some replacement and upgrade of the hard disk of this old Lenovo notebook.
Right. For this video nga guys, papakita ni Sir Carl kasi yung most tawag dito, scenario kasi magtatawag ka ng technical to fix your laptop or your desktop. But for this particular video, gagawin ni Sir Carl is siya mismo yung magdi-DIY. Tama ba, sir?
So, well, Darwin will assist me because he knows how to remove stuff.
Yeah. So I'm here to assist Sir Carl.
Yeah. But he will be the coach.
Alright.
Coaching DIY how to remove the hard disk drive.
Yes.
And replace it with this one. So by the way, if you plan to replace a hard disk drive in your laptop, make sure it's the same size for the SSD, because there's the SSD it's just a small
M2
form factor. Yeah, that's the new SSD design, because initially when people were migrating to SSD from hard disk drive, the original design is to have the 2.5.
Yes.
When you say 2.5, that's 2.5 inches, right? So this is a 2.5. The existing one here is a 2.5. So if you're buying in Lazada or any online shop, or if you're visiting Gilmore or similar to Gilmore, where there are computer parts and available, make sure it's a 2.5, not the hard disk drive that is for tower PC. Okay, that's very big.
3.5.
That's a 3.5. That's a 3.5. So you don't need the 3.5. Pero if you buy ba 3.5, meron din bang external case yun?
Yes, meron.
You could convert it into a
external hard drive. Pero bihira na kasi ginagamit niya yun.
Okay.
Since meron na tayong maliliit na...
Is it an extinct?
Parang gano'n. Parang dinosaur type na siya.
Dinosaur type na.
Kung
legacy.
kailangan talaga, gagawa mo ng paraan na para makabili ka ng 3.5 external. Kasi may mga lumalabas na USB storage na maliliit na 1632 gig eh. So, minsan hindi na talaga ginagamit.
So,
alright.
mentioned earlier, sira to.
Medyo basag
At
na.
saka sira na rin tong
Hot swap na ano, DVD. Writer. May laki. Kasama? Yun. Yun yung sira pala. Alright. May ganyan. Ay, balik pala sa kapatid na. Balik. Ay, so. Okay.
Yun. Kaya pala nahihirapan tayo eh.
Kita ba yun?
So, and this one. So what now, Doctor? Dr. PC?
So, since papalitan natin yung hard drive, so hanapin natin yung hard drive dito sa loob ng laptop.
So obviously this is the hard drive.
Yan. So, pakita mo siya.
So this is the hard drive.
Swan, yan.
This is the hard drive. Okay. So paano na dito?
So, kailangan tanggalin mo na lahat ng tornilyo ng hard drive.
So ayun yun. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Ito rin yata.
Pati ito, pati yung
casing.
pati yung
casing. Casing. Parang
casing o
bracket.
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 So, 4 na screws para sa bracket.
Anyway, yung laptop kasi iba-iba ng model, iba-iba ng brand. So iba-iba rin sila ng structure ng casing. So may mga madaling mabuksan, may mga parang open access na laptop, madali mong buksan. May mga laptop na naman katulad nito, yung buong back casing yung bubuksan mo. So depende sa brand, yung model.
Yung lumang lumang laptop na 10-year-old na ni-replace namin din yung ganyan was easy access.
Meron siya
so,
slot.
Dito na lang siya.
May open door na
plastic na siya na bubuksan.
Hindi ka na may
gagawin na dito
so, hindi na sir. Buo na yung hilahin mo. Kasi nakasata connect yan. So, taas,
okay.
hilahin mo.
So, explain mo lang yung SATA. Yung mga version.
Sila. Hindi, buo yan sir.
Buo to.
Hilahin mo yan. Okay. So, yun yung SATA connector na. So, yan na kukonect yan. Pwede mong i-check yung parehas agad pag dito mo yung hard drive.
Hindi, bubuksan pa natin daw. Bubuksan to. Pumiloksan eh, baka magasgas eh. Magasgas yung niya. Yun, ang tawag dyan.
Yung connector sa atin.
Connectors niya. Tsaka yung maalipubok.
So, yan, yung SSD and
hard disk drive, SSD.
Disk type and chips type. So, yan siya.
Alright.
So, dapat magkasing laki. 2.5.
2.5. So 2.5 na yun yan. So, anong gagawin natin?
So, kailangan matanggalin yung bracket, yung mismong casing. So, dito sa gilid.
Sa gilid siya.
Tandaan mo lang kung tatanggalin mo pa paano nakakabit yung hard drive. So, nakabaligtad siya. Oops.
Ano dapat? Anong ganyan?
Katulad niya, so, yung pagkabit mo ng
okay.
SSD, dapat nakaganoon din. So, para pag dinalik natin, sakto pa rin siya dun sa slot ng SATA. Alright.
Parang wala.
So, baka naragdag mo siya.
But anyway,
sige.
hindi.
Yan, sir. Pataob
So,
siya.
nakalas na. Okay. So, ano yung taas ng ano dito?
So,
Ito yung nakatutok sa sa'yo.
ano yan,
So, ano pala to? This is a Seagate laptop. Thin laptop HDD 500 GB. Hindi pa naging 512, no?
saktuhan din sila.
So, ngayon, we will replace this.
Yan, sir. Tama.
Ay.
Pabaliktad.
Saan dapat nakatutok?
So, kung ang kabit natin dito nakaganyan,
Ganyan ba?
dapat ito. Ayan yan. So, dapat ito nakaganyan. Nakaganyan siya. Yan. So, yung mukha nakaharap dito.
Si Kingston nakabaliktad.
Kasi kailangan sumakto siya dito.
Alright. Baka naman hindi nahulog, diba?
Pakita mo yan. Tapos yung SATA.
Yan.
Yan.
Tapos, push to.
Yan. Push mo lang. Yan. Alright.
Yan.
Okay na yan. Tapos, medyo na.
Super mega na. Okay, so anong next?
Next natin, siyempre, babalik mo na. Para check natin yung BIOS. Kung na-detect na siya.
Okay.
Okay na yun.
So yan yung BIOS, hindi.
Kailangan mong i-okay muna. So, pakita mo kasi nagbago tayo ng ano.
Paano
ng
i-okay to? Enter.
Enter. Wait. Pakita mo siya.
So this is the BIOS.
Hindi. Ano siya? Para confirmation kasi na wala yung medium na ano.
Okay.
So, wala.
So we
Okay.
just press enter.
Boot manager. So, pumunta ka sa boot manager, hahanapin niya yung OS mo. Since bago yung hard drive mo, walang OS.
Walang OS.
Okay. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon, option, enter.
Enter.
Wala. Control Alt Delete.
Ano to?
Ganun ulit yan sir. Failure boot.
Okay lang.
Sige. Control Alt Delete. Press F2 para sa BIOS. Hindi, okay na siya. Sige. Iyan. I-check natin yung Control Alt Delete. Sige sir, yan. Edit mo na lang ito. Tapos function F2. Yan. So ulitin mo na lang sir. Control Alt Delete. Function F2. Din. Ulit. Tapos ikaw yun na.
Ano? Control Alt Delete?
Yeah. Function F2 agad. Yan. So, BIOS.
Okay.
So dito may kita mo yan.
Okay. So na-read niya. In other words.
So, i-dub mo na lang ba yan?
Bibistat natin. So, ito dapat ang makikita.
Kingston.
Install. Artist. So,
Detect siya ibig sabihin.
so that's the sign that it's the motherboard has detected, or the CPU has detected. The motherboard has detected
Yung hard disk.
the Kingston SSD.
yeah.